This is the Unreal Magic Workshop and I'm about to show you a very cool trick. My name is Jonas Jost, I'm a professional magician and illusionist. But before we do, hit the thumbs up, give us a like and subscribe to the channel below and we are going to magish your brains out. Check this out. Just a quick snack break, one Oreo cookie. I'm going to take a quick bite. And then I spit the rest on to keep it for later. I know, let me put that in my... Where's my magical henchman gone? There he is, yep. Oh, no, they don't have Oreos. See, broccoli, here you go, you have some... Oh. Okay, you have a biscuit then. Stick around for the explanation of that trick. The secret is a very special Oreo cookie. I'll do it one more time. Take a bite. 2. Spit it back on. This is a rubber cookie, cut to make it look like a bite's been taken out and put together with a rubber band. This trick is so easy to do, anyone can do it in seconds, and you too can become a magician just like that, doing Oreo magic around town, just like me and my magical henchmen.